What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to download and install your Nvidia graphics card drivers. Stuff like this helps you out. You like videos like this, maybe subscribe. We're going to come down to our search, the bottom here, click that, and we're going to type in Nvidia app, go to the app, click this. It'll pop up for us right here. You don't have to log in or anything like that to get drivers. And then we are going to come over to the side here and click on, you guessed it, drivers. And then we are going to pick the driver we want. I have the game ready one. That's good for gaming and stuff like that. But if you click this drop down right here, they have a studio one. And that one's a little bit better about supporting Premiere, DaVinci, editing software, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and download that and give it a second. I'll catch up with you when it's done. And once that's done, a little install button will show up right here. Just go ahead and click that. And I recommend Express installation. Unless you have something fancy and strange about your computer, the Express is typically recommended. Go ahead and hit continue. And now we wait. Again, I'll see you in a second. And there we go. Your computer might flash and blink a little bit while it's doing this. Don't worry, that's normal. And then from right here too, you can reinstall, which is nice if there's a problem or something. So yeah, go ahead and restart your computer and you're good to go. If that was helpful, you like stuff like this, please like the video, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.